So you have now downloaded the Amazon Prime app. So you go ahead and look for it and you open it and then you pick whatever show or movie you want to watch. So you go ahead and pick one and you get a message like that. To watch this title, you have to be subscribed to Amazon Prime. So you'll go ahead and open up your web browser and then you'll type in your search bar Prime Video and it should take you to this page. Once you get to this page, we'll click the profile icon, look for account and settings, go ahead and click on that. We'll be on this page. You'll notice that your membership, you do not have a subscription. So before all of that, let's just set up a payment method. So we'll click on payment method. So I already have a payment method set up. So you'll click that and this is what it will look like. And then you add your card and then click back to settings. And then you click on sign up. And then you'll start your 7-day free trial. And then you'll be redirected to this page. Then you'll go ahead and sign in back into your account. Go back to your Amazon Prime app and enjoy watching. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful and thank you again for watching.